evening to you all and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to cope when you're going through hard times in life. I hope you all are doing very well. I know it's a pandemic, it's the COVID going around, and especially I live in UK, so we're thinking it's the second wave coming, and I work in hospital. I see that every day, and I am sure how hard it must be for you all, those who are at home self-isolating, those who have lost their jobs. It's very hard. I can completely feel your pain, and especially for those whose family have been admitted to the hospital, it's very, very hard to cope. But today I'm not going to talk about all the sad things. I'm going to talk about how to cope during the hard times in life. It could be just because of the pandemic. It could be just because you're just feeling low with so many things happening around you. It could be just your career. It could be a relationship. It could be you just had a fight with your parents, mom and dad. So it's just basically general thing that makes you feel low. So what should we do? Number one, just express yourself. Try to write it down in your diary how you feel. What exactly is going on in your mind? What is happening? That helps you to ventilate all the feelings and emotion that's been bottled up inside you. And when you're writing, cry if you have to. Number two, crying is another energy. It's beautiful and powerful energy that all human being needs, because our human brain is designed in such a way that it needs anger, it needs hurt, it needs happiness, it needs sadness, and you have to cry. And it needs anger, excitement, it needs all these sorts of emotion. So always cry whenever you feel like you have to, because that helps you to relieve your pain and make it feel light. So that's what's number two. Number three, find a friend to talk to you. Your close friend, your best friend, whom you can trust, whom you can tell everything that's going on in your life or within you, because of your work, because of your friends or family, your relationship, your husband, wife, partner, whoever it is. So it always helps. That helps for me sometimes. Especially for me, writing helps. I write poems, so I express my feelings. So please always talk to a friend. Number three. Number four, involve yourself in some sort of activities like any games or sports or yoga, meditation, which is a great thing to do. Meditation, especially just even for 5 minutes or 10 minutes every day in the morning, just before you start your work. The best time to do meditation is from between 4 to 6. It's very peaceful. Everyone is asleep. You have that beautiful, powerful energy inside you. Your mind is clean, your heart is clean. You're not thinking of anything. Even if you are, just sit for 10 minutes meditation. Close your eyes. Listen to soothing music. There are lots of meditation music and YouTube videos these days. So just put one of those meditation music. If you do not know how to meditate, there are lots of videos about guided meditation. So follow those steps and just do your breathing exercise, and that really helps you to feel calm and get the new and powerful, beautiful energy, and that will help to relieve stress. Number five, exercise. That is the beautiful thing that I have experienced. Whenever I'm stressed, I feel like I don't want to do anything. I don't want to talk to anyone. I don't want to do my work. I don't want to write my assignments. I don't want to cook. I don't want to eat. I always feel that. I feel so numb. I feel my body feels like a jelly, as if I have got no bones. So whenever I'm stressed, whenever I feel emotionally hurt, I'm very lethargic. So what I do, I build myself up. I collect all those energies. I said, no, get up, because this life we get only once. So start with doing some light exercise. Go for a walk. If you don't feel like doing exercise, just go for a walk out in the nature. Feel the nature. Enjoy the plants and the trees, sun, whatever, the rain. Touch the plants, touch the flowers, just talk to them. You will feel so much better, so much light. I had been through hard times in my life, so I go for a walk, I do exercise. It gives you a natural, new, powerful energy, and that's not the way to cope with sad times, hard times. And number six, listen to music. I'm a music person. I like to listen to music 24/7, whenever, any type of music. it helps. It gives you that kind of indulgement into the music, into the feeling, into the how would I say, into the tunes, and it just takes you to the different world. Probably I didn't explain that very well, but music, it definitely helps. You just forget about everything. Put the best music that you want, either rock music, pop music, classic music, dancing music, anything, uplifting music. So that really helps. If not, listen to some inspirational videos. There are so many videos out there, so listen to them. Listen to like I listen to very often, I listen to Jay Shetty. I listen to Sadhguru. He's one of my big inspiration in my life. Listen to Sister Sivani. There's so many out there that are uncountable. I can't take everyone's name right now. Yeah, these are the things that really helps me. So I hope you will find this video useful. These were all based on my personal experiences, but give it a go. Whenever you have a hard time, whenever you feel low, try one of these. At least it will give you relief, at least for that moment, and then you can sit back, think, and then you restart your day again, and then reflect back what went wrong. Definitely it will help. Put the comments below if you like my experience, my sharings, and then I'll see you again in my next vlog. Love you all.